If you are subject to the rule of tax residence taxation, once transferred to Dubai and acquired the fiscal residence, none of the capital gains from the sale of cryptocurrency will be subject to taxation. Are also not taxed the stacking interests, the mining, the revenues of the liquidity pools, or other income related to the crypto world. Subjects who carry out economic activities connected with cryptocurrencies, in addition to not being taxed, in some cases can access incentives, as well as other favorable treatments under the most recent local regulations aimed at encouraging innovation. If you are a crypto entrepreneur, for example, it is worth keeping up to date on the upcoming initiatives of the Dubai World Trade Center, which on the basis of very recent news is destined to become a special crypto hub that will further strive to create an attractive environment for the sector. Not by chance, in December 2021, the same Binance signed an agreement with the Dubai World Trade Center. If you need specific advice, you can contact us at the contact details you find in the description, and we will put you in touch with one or more international tax lawyers highly specialized in assisting clients in your position.